How to log in to Facebook without password. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you how you can log into Facebook without password. Now you can always save your login info on Facebook, but if you're trying to log in and you have forgotten the password and you're not being able to log in, what you can do is open up the Facebook app and here tap on the forgotten password option right here. Once you tap on forgotten your password, this interface opens up. Now you can find your account by either your mobile number or your email address, and once you type in or search for your account, it will appear here. I'll just do it real quick. Once you type in your email, you can see that my account is open up. Now it says that we can log you in automatically because one of your accounts is logged in to this device. Now I can continue because I have saved my login info here. I have various accounts linked on my device. However, if you haven't linked, what you want to do is try another way. And then here you can log in with your Google account or get code via email or your phone number if you have linked any. If you type in, and you can log in this way. Now I'll just type in get code or link via email, and here I'll get the email right here and I can create a new password right here. So you'll be able to create a new password too. So this way you can log into Facebook account without password. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.